meet the talented dogs who love to surf. These athletic pups are taking the surf world by storm. With balance and bravery, they conquer the waves. Their owners, proud and amazed, cheer on from the sidelines. This isn't just a fun hobby for them. Many surfing dogs compete in international contests, showcasing their skills to the world. Some dogs serve to support good causes, raising funds for animal shelters and rescue organizations. So, next time you hit the beach, keep an eye out for these furry surfers. They're sure to make a splash.